If your Toro lawnmower won't start at all, don't panic. In most cases, it's a simple fix. In this video, we'll walk you through the most common reasons your Toro mower won't start, what the symptoms look like, and what to check first to get it running again. To help demonstrate, today we have this beast of a Toro lawnmower. It's self-propelled, has a 6.75 horsepower engine, a 3-in-1 deck, and it's electric start. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is check the fuel. First, make sure the mower actually has fresh fuel in the tank. It sounds simple, but old fuel is one of the most common reasons a mower won't start. Gasoline can break down over time and leave behind residue that prevents the engine from starting. If the fuel looks dark, cloudy, or smells stale, drain the tank and refill it with fresh gasoline. Next thing we're going to do is check the spark plug. The spark plug creates the spark that ignites the fuel inside the engine. If the plug is worn, dirty, or damaged, the engine may not start at all. Replacing it is a quick and inexpensive fix that will help your Toro mower start up properly. The next thing on our list is to check the primer bulb. This bulb pushes fuel into the carburetor before starting the engine. If the bulb is cracked or not sealing properly, the fuel may not reach the engine. If the primer bulb is damaged, replacing it usually restores normal starting. Next thing we're going to do is check the air filter. Another thing that could be stopping your mower from starting is a clogged air filter. If the filter is clogged with dirt or soaked with fuel, the engine may not get enough air to start. If the filter looks dirty or packed with debris, cleaning it or replacing it can often solve the problem right away. The last thing we're going to do is check the carburetor. If the mower has fuel and spark but still won't start, the carburetor may be clogged. Small passages inside the carburetor can become blocked by debris or dried fuel. When that happens, fuel can't reach the engine. You might notice the following things. The engine pulls over normally, but never starts. Or, repeated priming doesn't help. On this model, you can remove the carburetor bowl and check for dirt, water, or buildup. Cleaning the carburetor is one of the most common repairs for a mower that won't start. There are a few other issues that can prevent a mower from starting, but they're less common, or harder to demonstrate clearly on this particular model. A failing ignition coil. If the ignition coil fails, the engine may have no spark at all. A damaged flywheel key. If the mower has hit a solid object, the flywheel key can shear, which throws off engine timing and prevents starting. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. In most cases, if your Toro mower won't start, it comes down to one of these issues. And a big thank you to our friends at Toro for helping make this video possible. And if you need replacement parts for your repair, visit PartSelect.com to get manufacturer-approved parts guaranteed to fit your Toro mower. Take care, and we'll see you next time.